guys and girls, thank you for watching this quick video. It's going to be like literally 2 minutes. I want to show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper, the rear one right there. It's such a bad weather, raining for the past 3 days here, and my windshield wiper is not cleaning good this area right here. It's like there's like a line here, so I decided to replace it. Let me show you how easy it is to do it. So I stopped by my local store, Walmart, and this is the windshield wiper you need, rear R12A. I always use RainX. This is not a promotional video for this. I'm not getting paid for this, just a good quality product. First thing you do, pop this plastic piece on both sides. Comes out like this. Lift your wiper up like this and turn it this way into this position, and then pop it out of place. That's it. This one is our RainX wiper. Let me show you the difference. They're about the same size. The original one has like a blade longer by 1/8 of an inch, maybe 2/16 of an inch or so. This is the original one. This is the one from RainX. Let's go and start. Also, as you see here, this is the original wiper, and this RainX. RainX has these 2 points right here, like these little, like a bridge. I don't know how else to say it. And this one only has one big one. But I always use RainX. They're very good wipers. Very easy installation. Put it in this position like this. Turn it, and it clicks into place. And just push this plastic piece, and we're done. The only difference that I can see, this RainX, this plastic piece, little bit lighter color. But when you go back a little bit, you don't even see the difference. I wasn't gonna pay $36 for one windshield wiper from the dealership. There is no way. See, it's good. And there you go, guys. Now you know how to install a windshield wiper for your rear window. And RainX is pretty good wipers. They do a good job. You see, comparison. This plastic is a little bit darker. This slightly brighter color, but you can't tell the difference if you're like just standing here. I'm still not gonna pay like $40 for a wiper. I mean, this one feels a little bit sturdier, feels a little bit harder than this one, than RainX, but it will do the job great. So thanks for watching Nazareto's channel. I hope this video was helpful. So now you know how to change your rear wiper.